Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to watch NFL games without cable. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really simple and easy. So to watch NFL games without cable, there's a simple solution, that is your internet. What you need to do is head over to your browser on your laptop or on your mobile device, and then on the search bar simply type in Total Sports EK, and once you hit enter you'll be shown with a bunch of options. What you need to do is tap on this link that says totalsportsek.to, and once you click on this link here, you'll be seeing a bunch of options on the top bar, and among them you'll be seeing the option that says NFL, right? Simply click on this, and once you click on this, here on the home screen the results will be loaded. Under NFL option, you'll be seeing a bunch of matches that are related to the NFL. So all you gotta do is just simply scroll down and then find the NFL match that you want to watch, and here you can click on schedule as well to see the matches being scheduled. So basically that's how you watch NFL games without cable through your browser. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.